What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the hazard switch on this 2010 Toyota RAV4. If you need parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. Just take a trim tool. We're going to take this piece of trim right off. Just get underneath here with a plastic trim tool. That way you don't scratch anything. Slide it off, then you can disconnect this connector right here. Slide it off. Remove the hazard switch from the housing. On the back side there's a couple clips. You can use a screwdriver or just push on them and slide the switch right out. Alright, take the switch. Now there is a slot that you need to line up with the groove. Just line that up and press it back in. Alright, we're going to plug the hazard switch back in. Like that, and then line up these tabs. Once it's all lined up, just press it in.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com for quality auto parts shipped to your door, the place for DIY auto repair. And if you enjoyed this video, please click the subscribe button.